I'm going to give you the greatest review on NordVPN you've ever heard, okay? And after that, I'm going to give you the best deal down below that you've ever had for NordVPN. So guys, let's get straight into this. So guys, let's start on the website of NordVPN. And why do I think this VPN is fantastic? I do because NordVPN is the most popular out there due to one of its protocols. Not only that, but how fast it is. So guys, let's just talk about protecting yourself online, all right? If you're not using a reliable VPN, your private information can be easily accessed by third parties. So get NordVPN to protect yourself. At worst case, get a VPN, okay? Go to onlyvpns.net and actually get one. But with NordVPN, you can access the global internet, okay? If services are blocked in your region, use NordVPN to get involved, shielding your browsing from criminals and surveillance, all right? All the data you send and receive of online travels and encrypted tunnels, this way no one can get their hands on your private information. Secures all of your devices, okay? So NordVPN actually works on popular platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS. Besides, you can actually secure 6 devices with a single account. So I can use this now, I can use this on that screen, I can use it on that screen, up to 6 devices, and anyone can get involved. Guys, it has extra laser security to your digital life, all right? We're always on digital life. We're nomads now. Right, we're using this, so get the best protection you can with NordVPN. And the password manager, NordPass, organizing and complexing passwords and keeping them securely in a single place. NordLocker, file encryption tool, securing your files with click and back them up with private cloud. All right, why exactly are we choosing this? So guys, I am going to go into the app and show you that as well, but I just wanted to go through the features. We've got threat protection, which enables threat protection feature to block trackers, annoying ads, and malware lurking online. All right, reliable encryption, so staying safe when browsing on public Wi-Fi or any other network for that fact. All right, NordVPN actually secures your data with generation encryption. Fastest VPN on the planet with over 5,500 servers worldwide, and the game-changing NordLynx protocol. NordVPN lets you stay safe online without slowing down. Experiencing online freedom, so having secure access to streaming websites, social media, and messaging platforms without censorship. And kill switch. So the kill switch technology makes sure your sensitive data will not be exposed, not even for a brief moment. And the 24-hour support, simply click this in the bottom right and it takes you there, right? Guys, don't just take our word for it on this channel, all right? Go through some of the reviews and I'll talk about the pricing very, very soon. But just to quickly update you, that link down below is going to get you the most exclusive deal on the internet right now through the OnlyVPN's site. So guys, let's actually look at what NordVPN looks like. So this is what the VPN looks like. You've got the quick connect up at the top. You click that, it will just start connecting to any server that is protected and safe around your area. Guys, down the left, you've got your countries list. So there's 2 ways you can do this in NordVPN. If you know what a VPN works like, you can simply click on the country you want to connect to or simply scroll down the left. Now, if you want to go inside of that country to change server, because guys, sometimes you're streaming, or maybe on Amazon or Netflix, and they can block the IP address if they're clever enough. You simply go in here and change the server. Okay, so 151 will have a different IP to 155 and connect it that way. Super, super easy, guys. All right, so this is how simplistic this is. I really like it. If you go over to the presets up here, you can go to all the settings, all right, in your general settings. This is what I was talking about before. The VPN protocol, NordLynx, is by far the most powerful out there for all VPNs, all right? But you can just press use recommended, and it'll use recommended for your area if you like, okay? Your auto connect, so every time you come on, it can trust it and it will auto connect for you. MeshNet as well. Please, what I would do is go on the website and dive a little bit more into doing your own research, find out what you're comfortable with, which different settings, okay? Guys, go to the dark web monitor statistic. Kill switch is a very important one. What this does is if your server goes down online, it will destroy all your information off there. It will never be left on there. Make sure the advanced is turned on. That's my little opinion, because kill switch is the most important thing here, and change the appearance in the app. But guys, apart from that, this is a fantastic VPN. All right, super, super easy, and you do get an extension up here. It looks like a little mountain that you can just quick connect through. So guys, that's what I think of this in that link down below. Let's talk about the pricing right now. How much do you think it costs for NordVPN? I'm going to compare what price it is and what we can give you. So guys, if you click that link down below and click get the deal, okay, you're going to get the most exclusive deal up to date right now. So you can see for the most popular package here, it's only €4.31 a month, guys. That is nothing, all right? Plus 1 month for free, plus the 30-day money back guarantee, and a saving here, down from €264 to €107, right, for the first 2 years. You can change it to a year plan, a month plan if you want, but you get 3 months if you're sticking with the 2-year plan, which I don't know why you would need to change it. You get everything we spoke about if you go for the complete package at €5.75, and if you want the standard, you're saving 59% at €3.35 with that month free and the 30-day money back guarantee. Let me compare that to what happens if you don't hit that link. So here it is. If you don't hit that link down below, you can still get a good price, but not as good as we can give, and you don't get the months for free, guys. So it makes sense to hit that link down below, get it cheaper over the time, every single month, and plus get the month free. So guys, hit that link down below right now and get involved. There you go, guys. One thing you need to take from this is NordVPN is fantastic, and the second thing is that link down below is going to save you a heap of money. All right, so get involved right now, but please do me a favor of hitting the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell, and I'll see you next time.